Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Chad Williams Fixes All. In this episode, we're going to be removing the gas lid door on this F-150. Let's get to it. So to do this job, the only tool you're going to need is a small little pick or a Tech screwdriver as a flat blade to it. You can find something like this down in our description below on our Amazon links. But the only thing you're going to really do is just remove the gas lid door by prying up on this little clip here. Very simple, just pry towards the outside of it, and then at the same time pull out on the door by pulling towards you. That's going to release it. The gas lid is just on tracks here. These little 4 clips slide into the hinge, and it's just as easy as that to get it back onto the vehicle when you get your replacement. So just go ahead and slide those into the track, and now it's re-clipped back into the hinge, and you go ahead and test it and make sure it looks great, and that's pretty much it on this job. So that's going to do it for this episode. If this video helped you at all, please make sure to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, also check out my other videos. I got a whole bunch out there also on this F-150 and other vehicles. But until next time, thanks for watching.